Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off camera prioritize faster shooting on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down, and in here tap on camera. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on prioritize faster shooting. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is turned on, the camera can intelligently adapt image quality when rapidly pressing the shutter. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to the settings page or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.